Build OS Android V8.0 Oreo. Dimensions NA. Weight NA. SIM dual standby, nano SIM. Colors various. Frequency 2G band SIM 1, GSM 850, 900, 1800, 1900. SIM 2, GSM 850, 900, 1800, 1900. 3G band STPA 850, 900, 1900, 2100. 4G band LTE. Processor CPU 1.84 GHz octa-core. Chipset Qualcomm Snapdragon 660. Display technology IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen, 16 colors, multi-touch. Size 5.5 inches. Resolution 1080 by 1920 pixels, 401 ppi. Memory built-in 64 GB built-in, 4 GB RAM. Card microSD card, supports up to 256 GB, uses SIM2 slot. Camera main 16MP, autofocus, LED flash. Features f/1.8, phase detection, 1.128A micro-pixel size, geotagging, touch focus, face detection, panorama, HDR, video, 1080p at 30 fps. Front 8MP. Connectivity LAN Wi-Fi 802.11a/b/g/NAC, dual band, Wi-Fi direct, hotspot. Bluetooth V5.0 with a 2DP, GPS yes plus a GPS support, and GLONASS. Radio FM radio. USB Type-C 1.0 reversible connector, USB on the go. NFC no. Data GPRS, Edge, 3G, 4G. Features sensors accelerometer, compass, fingerprint, proximity. Audio 3.5mm audio jack, MP4/H.264 player, MP3/WAV/EAC+/FLAC player, speakerphone. Browser HTML5. Messaging SMS threaded view, MMS, email, push mail, Games built-in plus downloadable. Torch yes. Extra active noise cancellation with dedicated mic, document viewer, editor, photo, video editor. Battery capacity, Li-ion non-removable, 3300 mAh.